Hey YouTube, Wonder here under my 2012 Dodge Ram. Gonna put a toggle switch with this train horn because I want my factory horn. So whenever I want to use the train horn, I can just turn on the switch and use it. Turn it off when I don't need it. Show you guys how to run toggle switch instead of putting a relay and a toggle switch. Here we go. See, as I got wires run through here, gonna go under the hood. Right here. So I got wires ran. And right in here, put my hand in there, I split the wire, that little red box there, from my horn. I ran the wire under here to here, ran it through my firewall there. I'm going right back inside the car. I got the wires here. This black wires to my horn. Red wires to the train horn. So here's the toggle switch I'm gonna use. See the on supply volts and all that. You only really need these two you can use. You don't need the third one. I was gonna put in a relay, but don't need it. So here's a faster way to get your horn back. Here we go. So I'm gonna put this wire onto the on. You can see. Put my phone down real quick. I'll put the red wire on. See how I got them both connected? Okay, let's try the horn. That's the regular horn. Now let's turn the toggle switch on. Toggle switch is on. And there's your train horn. Turn it off. Got your regular horn. Turn the switch back on. Got your train horn. Thanks YouTube. Thanks for watching.